the time had come at last. We said a last goodbye, and though we both were sad, neither one could cry. Once in love, the love now gone, we had to start anew. And while we found it hard to face, it's what we all go through. Sometimes you try to understand how love can come then go again. Just when you think your heart won't mend, it's love that finds you in the end. Many years have passed since we went separate ways. I saw her on the street, but weren't sure what to say. But as we talked, holding our own kids, she said what we both knew. Fate had someone in the cards, but it just wasn't you. Sometimes you try